Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ukertong ke United Democratic Party ubak Eugene Lingdo ula job keput haga election shiteng samai nama Pelang constituency daka batam haduk sahajar South Pa Iway vote ban penlim lendang yo kertong keseng Kongres ubak Kennedy Krem ubala longteng UMLA barim bat kumjuru yo kertong keseng National People's Party ubak lamprang belak ubadairu UMDC beminta jong ke mau Pelang ding ye constituency. Haba bishar kat kum gajing yo vote hapedeng gini gi laingut ki kertong uba Eugene Lingdo ula yo khur khat lai hajar arspa prapusan vote uba Kennedy C Krim ula yo prahajar praspa prapusau vote uba lamprang bela ula yo san hajar shispa lai vote kat baki paitba ki bala jet yo nota ki don hado arspa arngun
nga pedeng ke karai jung paitba ko bajuro nga jute lang baki Emily hanu ka hanta kamnam ga hanta bit ka biang jung ka konsesi te jadi sedih lang
boleh pun
kami ya jite lang
boleh pun
ko ngai ko yu boleh mah lo ya dekat lagi bro lo ya syahi bro but ke ba ke jing job ko wan le ba jung kwa jung i le ba ke mati jung i ba gadon du ka sempati buat mah bagi oh sahi bagi jing kersian jung ki nakaliang jung nya kha jung i guru ki jungnya kumju nak sengit pi e barok tu no ki ba supporter ki jungi pa ki jungi buat kata de depan aga burom sikil barok ke ta kasyong ka baik ke baik no ki ba dawa pat taru baru e ru le ki kam ki ba pa juga dam sa teng ke e ko ta te spekan pandang bandong
to nakaliam jungi kum ka UDP ngi ai ka jingkublai ya ki padba no shong chnong jong ka mo Pelang constituency ka bala ai ka jing shania i samla Eugene San ka ni ka kenti ka pemerintah bat ya ka jingkershan radba nakaliam jongki wan yo wan penjob uni kertong yang jungi ka UDP tap ka jing movement ba ka nga ai lei kerpang biang ya ki padba no shong chnong jong ka mo Pelang constituency ba ko tu jungi hangte marung kenang ngi endorse bet ngi penskem bet yakarai jong ka circle ke jungi ha marung kenang buat ke UDP circle marung kenang nadu ka bastang kalau ong ba nginum penyang candidate pengin ai bet ya ke jikal shani ba penyat sing siem akan ke kenti ke pemerintah nomor ba ka jingla ke jungi menteri borba nak minta ke development jong ka constituency hangte marung kenang dia nak kalian ke jungi ru ngila ai ya ka jikal shan ke pura kalian juga parti jungi nak kalian ki nongelam ki badan ka parti jungi te maru kling constituency on itap da jing smokeman sibun ba iba penya sing CM ni ka genti ke pemerintah iyo ya ka jing job ke badan
Nikong ai ngụ yu play bat kamtam di pa ajuku national net kumba kumanga kumala ya ki cingilang ki prepare makanya campaign yang ong biang sisil ba ikam ki ba prepare bi final sedang sateng kajiku ki jonga kade bang indak ki pangala ikte kikam kibun kikam kisurok kabai pai la le pai pa yo la pendap kawai kita. Obviously my priority would be to serve the people at the utmost level I can. 1 year is a very short time. As you know, the past 2 years, even in times of COVID, the years have just passed on very fast. So even this year, this coming year, 2022, is gonna go by very fast. So in a year span, I'm not sure I'll be able to complete as much as I would like to, because we all know the works that he has done and the works that are pending. So in knowing that we are a state that has a lot of climate changes throughout the year, and there are works that depends on climate as well. Kaba kongsan kare ka jing eat juki patba ba lingba ki kam ki paper bi pai la le kilai I kila sakhi but lingba ka jingwan juki hayeng ban insluringa bang yeng ban budin ki kam pa ki patba hi ki dei kasur kumba kilawan ka terus ni but kumentar kasni kare kasur ka juki. Football in Meghalaya has grown over the past years, and I'm sure it will grow in the future as well. And obviously it is a sport that we all love here, and it is a sport that all kids dream of playing and make a career out of it, and I'm sure that we can.